I've always wanted to venture off into the unknown. I've always held the idea that no destination is unreachable so long as you're determined. We've come to find out that with a motor, very little planning, and some elbow grease, we're able to create things beyond what we thought we were capable of. There is nothing more satisfying than seeing a machine you have helped put together, or take apart, come to life, and bring about an adventure that you've always dreamt of. If you're like me, you know there's an entire world full of roads, trails, friends, and fun, waiting to be explored. I, for one, am going to find them, and I'd love to have you join me. Subscribe to our channel, where we will share detailed automotive content on our adventures, how-tos, and where-tos. Because life is now, and it's time you start your adventure. My name is Gabriel, and this is GV.